about it. Come on. Come on, get in. Get in. You're not going to take the home? Come on. Yes. Alright, the last one. Very good. So, how would you like to spend a week in Denver?
Sure. I don't mind.
What is that?
The rope course.
That looks like the, what did we used to call the course we have to do in the military?
Gladiator. It's like, yeah.
I forget what they called it. Not a survival course, but, what's it called? Yeah, we had to do those in the Army. It's probably part of a camp.
Yeah, probably.
Since it had the canoe, the raft on there.
That's what it looks like.
I'm going to work on some CGI stuff. Make sure I get my pills to take with me.
Don't forget your pills.
We have to pack some clothes. So I know it's going to be in there at least overnight. He said run it through tell them to put it through the quick assessment, find out what's going on. And, so we'll sit there for a little while and then it'd be like, okay, whatever they figure out what's wrong, find out how long it's going to be, and just like, okay, we're going to
raft and zip camp.
Huh?
Raft and zip. Zip lining.
Oh gosh, I'd love to go zip line. I haven't been zip lining since I was a kid.
Yeah, me too. Oh, it was funny. I've even gone rappelling. It was fun too.
Rappelling's fun too, but yeah, that's zip line. Man, you get going on.
I know. You better catch that net at the end.